Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So last time I did another one of my fall decor Michaels dupes where I tried to recreate a $30 Michaels fall sign for actually free. I just repurposed some items I already had around the house and made it for basically nothing. But if you were to go out and buy the materials that I used, it would probably still be under $5. So if you missed that video and you want to see how I made out, click on the link above. So this being the first Wednesday of September, you know what that means. It's Wacky Wednesday! So for you newbies to Wacky Wednesday, it's where you, the subscribers, suggest to me 3 totally unrelated items that I have to try to make into a piece of art or home decor. Yikes. Some of the suggestions are getting weirder and weirder. So this month's Wacky Wednesday suggestions were by my dear friend and loyal supporter, the Moody Artist. So I will put a link to her channel in the description box below. And if you wouldn't mind going and checking out and giving her some love, she is an amazing abstract artist, multi-talented lady, and super loyal subscriber. So thank you, Moody. She suggested a glass bottle, ribbon, and nail polish. So if you want to see how I made out transforming those 3 everyday items into a beautiful home decor piece, let's get started. So like I said, this month's Wacky Wednesday Craft Challenge items were suggested by my dear friend and loyal supporter, the Moody Artist. She suggested a glass bottle, some ribbon, and some nail polish, which I happen to have all of these on hand. Now I found I had some gold nail polish, so I was trying to find something that would match with that. So that's why I picked the ribbon with the gold trim. And I also picked up some of these stickers that I had with letters on them. So my idea was to still kind of keep in touch with the farmhouse theme that I had going, but to jazz it up with the gold a little bit. So I took the stickers that I had and I was going to make the word home on the outside of the glass bottle. Once the stickers were in place, I used the gold nail polish to paint over them so that the stickers acted like a stencil. And I also went around the whole circumference of the glass jar. So I would do this in a well-ventilated space as the nail polish is quite fumy. And I ended up having to go over it about 3 or 4 times just to make sure I had enough coats on there. Then I dried it thoroughly with a hairdryer. Like I said, I went all the way around the circumference and on top and below the words home, but I wasn't really too careful about how neat I was because I knew I was going to be wrapping ribbon around it as well. Once the nail polish was thoroughly dry, I cut 2 pieces of ribbon that would go all the way around, one on top and one on the bottom of the part that I painted with the nail polish. Then I used my hot glue to attach the ribbon. Next, I wanted to remove the stickers once the nail polish was dry, and I used my little Cricut tool, but you could probably just use a straight pin or anything else that's sharp, and I very carefully peeled off the stickers. I just got it started and then I pulled it off with my finger to reveal the words home underneath. Now I really wanted the letters to show up, so I got the idea of putting some coarse sea salt into my glass jar to make a vase, and it would also help the flower picks stand up. So I used a funnel and some of this coarse sea salt. You could probably use sand or rocks, and I filled up the jar. Then I found some of these flowers that I had kicking around that were fall themed, and I thought they would be perfect. So I adjusted them and put them into the vase, and I thought it turned out pretty cute. So don't forget to give me some ideas for next month's Wacky Wednesday. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.